Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson SV11. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson SV11 has lost suction, it can be frustrating as it affects its cleaning performance. This issue often arises due to blockages or a faulty component, and if not addressed promptly, it can lead to further damage or a complete loss of functionality. So, it's essential to tackle this problem as soon as possible. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a replacement ring specifically for the Dyson SV11. First, ensure your device is unplugged and turn it upside down on a soft surface to prevent scratches. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws located near the base of the unit. Once these screws are out, gently pry open the casing using the flathead screwdriver, taking care not to damage the plastic clips. Now, locate the suction ring. It's typically found near the motor. Inspect it for any signs of wear or debris that may be causing the loss of suction. If you spot any blockages, clear them out. If the ring appears damaged, you will need to extract it. To do this, gently pull it away from the motor while being cautious of any connected wires. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After removing the faulty ring, take your new replacement and align it properly with the motor. Firmly press it into place until you hear a click, indicating it is secure. Now, carefully reconnect any wires you may have detached earlier, ensuring they are firmly seated. Once you've done this, it's time to reassemble the casing. Align it properly and press down until you hear the clips snap back into place. Replace the screws you removed earlier, tightening them gently but firmly. Finally, turn your Dyson SV11 back over and plug it into test. If all is well, you should notice an immediate improvement in suction power. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly check and clean the suction ring and ensure there are no obstructions in the hose or filters. Also, consider scheduling regular maintenance checks to keep your device in top condition. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.